Hello everybody, so today we're gonna have a really exciting review. I am so excited to be reviewing the Canon M50. Like you can see, I got it over at Target so I could get a few discounts and deals with Black Friday and everything. So let's get it out. Oh, this is a fail. Where's the front? That was a fail, but here it is. I got just the M50 with the kit lens in black, and I'm so excited to unbox this, so let's get to it. All right, y'all, so here is the camera. I hope this angle works so we can see it all. Again, I got the black version with the kit lens. So this is what it looks like. It has like all the manuals and stuff. All right, so let's open this up, and then here we have the camera itself. I am so excited. And then next we have the little camera strip thing, the battery, the little battery. Actually, this is not the battery, this is the charger. If this was the battery, oh my god. And that is it in the box. So lastly, over here we have the kit lens. So let's unbox this, but I'll change the angle. All right, y'all, so here we have the kit lens. Really excited. So here it is. It looks really pretty. I don't want to take this off yet. And then here is the camera. I'm super excited. Let's see. Ooh, this feels nice. This little like rubberized part. Ooh, I'm really excited. And then it's rubberized here too. How do I get this out? Ooh, this is fancy. And then you can see yourself. Let me see what this would look like. Okay, I can work with this. So I feel like I jumped right into the video. The reason that I got this camera was really it's like an early Christmas present to myself, and I got a lot of discounts on it. So I was like, you know what, now's the time. Now's the time to buy it. And also graduation is coming up in May for me, and graduation pictures, you know, they can run you some money, and I mean, they deserve to run you some money because they do a really good job. But I really love doing things myself, so I was like, you know what if I just invest the money of a photo shoot into the camera, and then, you know, still have the camera after the shoot. So we're gonna see how that goes. I hope I don't fail at it, but I really just want to try to do it myself, because if I can do something myself, I will do it at all times. It's kind of bad. It's like I want to do everything. Girl, if you had nails trying to get this out, I think you'd struggle a little bit. All right, so next we have the camera battery. I'm not sure if it's charged, but if not, we can go ahead and charge it real quick so that we can turn it on. So this is the charging brick kind of, and this is the battery. It just looks like this. I'm not sure if it's charged. And then we have the camera strap. She's cute, a little black and red. At the bottom, you like slide this over and it pops open. Girl. Oh, there we go. Let's see if it's charged. Wow, I love to see it. I turn it on and say, So I guess I'll go ahead and charge the battery, and then we will be right back, and then I can review some of the accessories I got for it in the meantime. All right, so while that is charging, I did want to state that I got this SD card to go with it. It's the SanDisk Extreme 128. There was another one, it was like the ultra one, and I looked up like what is the difference because it's cheaper, but they were saying that they really see a difference in their picture quality when they use the extreme over the ultra, and the extreme pro is even better. But I think the extreme pro was just faster, so I was like, okay, good picture quality and cheap. I'm gonna go with this one. So if you are looking for SD cards, maybe go with the extreme or extreme pro over the ultra, because people say it made a difference. I didn't know SD cards made a difference, so that's really good to know. I think I was gonna show you all the accessories I got, but I think this is all I went ahead and bought before. And I'm just thinking, like, was I supposed to buy a case for this? Cause girl, where am I gonna put this? I don't know. I'll think about that another time. Maybe I should put the lens on in the meantime to see how big it is. And then unscrew this part. So then you align the two dots. There's one up here and then one here, and that's how you place it in. Click. This is a nice size. Like, it's not big, but it's not small. I really like this. See? Be a vlogger. It's a little heavy just with my hand, but I think if you had like a tripod, that'd be easier. Tripod. Hold up, I think I have a tripod. Would it fit with this? One sec. Okay, I actually have this old tripod that came with like another camera, and I wonder if this one works with that. Girl, I don't know where it's from. It says Manfrotto. I don't know. Ow, what the heck? This works, y'all. I love that. So I have a tripod already. I don't need to buy one. Let me stand it up here. Okay. She's cute. She's cute. So we are going to wait for the battery to charge, and then I'll do maybe some comparisons. Maybe I'll switch this setup out to this setup and see the difference. All right, you guys. So let's turn it on and see. So it's asking me to enter the date and time, push and hold the lens, switch in forward direction, and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. Oh, I think that's this part right here. So let's pull it forward. Oops. And then move it. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh. This is how it moves. Oh, it clicked. And then I guess I pull it again. And then it's locked. And you pull it this way and it clicks. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go and take a couple of test photos with the M50, maybe a couple of test videos, and I will insert them in a sec. So it is a little heavy, like my arm is struggling, so I think getting like a tripod with this would be the best. And then, okay, let's do a test where this is me looking directly into the camera, and then this is me looking at myself. So I don't know if there's like a huge difference from me shifting. I don't think it should be too much of a difference, to be honest, but y'all let me know down below if y'all can tell the difference. Alright, you guys, so that was the review. I'm looking at myself here or here, not sure if that makes too much of a difference, but here's the footage. It's a little bit of a different angle, but can you guys tell the difference from me recording with my phone? The intro was recorded with my phone. This is now recorded on the M50. So if you do notice a difference, please let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new about the M50. I'm going to keep using it. I'm actually going to download the Canon app onto my phone. I'm downloading, let's see. Downloading the Canon app. It doesn't have the most amazing reviews, but let's see. Alright, you guys, so I figured out the Canon app. It told you all the steps to follow and it was pretty simple. And right now I actually have the screen mirroring option on, so I can record and push stop and I can see what's going on, and I can also download any pictures that I take directly to my phone from the app. So I think it's pretty cool. It did have a few bad ratings, but from now, like, I can tell it's working. I think this would be really fun if you had like an iPad or something, and if you wanted a bigger screen than this, or you couldn't have your screen out or something, I think this is a really cool option. So I really love that. Hey y'all, so I'm editing the video right now, and something that I noticed is that the M50 footage had a little bit of like white noise in the background, kind of. I'll play it now. You just airdrop it to your computer from your phone. So easy. Yeah, so I just watched a few YouTube videos on like how to fix it, and I'll leave some down below, and they're talking about maybe 12 decibels or something. I'm not really sure what. But before you use your M50, make sure to look up like an audio M50 video just to make sure it doesn't pick up as much noise. I'm able to stabilize the audio in post, but you know, it's easier to just fix it right away. So I'll look at it in a sec, but it's just something that I wanted to tell you guys. Alright, back to the video. Hope you guys liked the test photos and the test videos versus my iPhone camera, which I upgraded now, and I'm really excited. Again, let me know what you think if you're thinking about getting an M50. I know that there's an M50 Mark II, but looking at the reviews, the differences weren't that great. And this one, I had some good sales on it, so I said, you know what, I think it's pretty solid, and I'm really liking the way it works so far. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know down below and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and again, leave any comments down below. I would be more than happy to answer them, and keep a lookout for my next videos, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I like this app. Oh, now my Wi-Fi connection failed. Maybe that's why people were giving it a bad review. Alright, time to go.